You're busy, so we'll say it in under 60 seconds. PartsSource Depot Repair Service makes getting repairs a breeze. Browse all major original equipment manufacturers. Choose a flat-rate repair service from over 600 models. Instantly create an RMA and print your prepaid shipping label. Pack it, ship it, track it. We fix it and ship it back with up to 1 year of warranty. High quality is simply part of the deal. So you can kick back or focus on more important stuff. Now, multiply this by 1,000 and you'll understand why PartsSource Depot gives you some serious power. Track all your repairs in one place with prepaid shipping, no hidden fees, and flat rate repairs up to 50% less than market prices. PartsSource, the world's largest marketplace for medical replacement parts and services.